AI art for free, LensGo versus Midjourney. Uncover the cost-efficient secret. Midjourney costs $10 per month. But LensGo is free. Here's how you can generate AI art for free. 1. You can 1. Create images. 2. Create videos. 3. Train your AI model. Check the tool here, https://lensgo.ai. 2. Image creation. Steps. 1. Click on Create Images. 2. Select the model. 3. Select the dimension. 4. Select number of images you want in the output. 5. Select the text guidance scale that you want. 6. You can select or deselect for negative prompts. 7. Write the prompt. 3. Video creation. Steps. 1. Click on Animate Videos. 2. Select the dimension. 3. Select the video duration you want. 4. Choose the camera movement you want. 5. Paste your prompt. 4. Train model. Steps. 1. Click on Training and Models. 2. Click on New Model. 3. Name your model. 4. Select the base model. 5. Input model images. The images I've input below are just for educational purposes.